Hello student, good morning. Today we will continue our chapter number 4 from geography. Okay, what we learned that what is the importance of land, what is the importance of air, what is the importance of water. In this chapter we will discuss about air, and we already know about that the lithos refers to the land, like that atmosphere refers to the air. Okay, like that hydrosphere refer to the water. But in this chapter we will discuss about atmosphere. Atmosphere refers to the air, and how air is important for us, and without air, without atmosphere, human beings, living things can't survive. So in this chapter we will discuss about the atmosphere, what is the atmosphere, and what is the component of the composition of the atmosphere. Okay, so let us start our chapter atmosphere. Okay, so all of you open your book, page number 229, and we will discuss about the air, atmosphere, different types of gases. It is present in the atmosphere. Okay, the atmosphere is made up of various gases, water vapors, dust particles, etc., and a combination of various gas, different types of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, organs, carbon dioxide, helium, neon, hydrogen, ozone. These type of gases present in the atmosphere, and all these gases form the atmosphere. And here is a index. We can easily understand that the which type of gases and composition of the atmosphere. First, nitrogen, oxygen, and what is the composition of nitrogen? 78.08%. Oxygen 20.94%, like that organ 90.93%, carbon dioxide 0.03%, neon 0.0018%, like helium 0.0005%, ozone 0.0006%, hydrogen 0.0005%. We can easily understand to see this pie chart. Here is a pie chart, and first gas is nitrogen in the atmosphere. And what is the concentration? Nitrogen gas 78.08%, and its concentration is higher in the atmosphere, and it is found up to the height of 128 kilometers from the Earth's surface. Nitrogen is lighter than oxygen. It means their weight is lighter than the oxygen and carbon dioxide. But nitrogen is very useful for both the plant and small organism like the bacteria. Plants do not take these gases directly from the atmosphere. They get it from their roots. And we know that the nitrogen gas is tasteless, colorless, odorless, that stand combustion. Combustion means the process of burning. It is difficult to control fire without nitrogen. That's why this oxygen is useful for the fire brigade. Next, our gas is oxygen. All of you know that the oxygen is very important for living things. And after the nitrogen, next gas is oxygen. And oxygen is the second most plentiful gas in the atmosphere. Oxygen is heavier. It means these gases are heavy than the nitrogen, and compared to carbon dioxide it is lighter. And you know that the its concentration in the atmosphere is 20.94%. Oxygen is called that the life gas, as it is the basis of all the living things or organisms, including human beings. It is essential for combustion. It means it is very useful to fire anything. Oxygen is very useful for combustion. Next, our gas is carbon dioxide. Next gas. Carbon dioxide is the heaviest gas in the atmosphere. It is highly variable because its concentration always vary with the variability of the level of pollution. It means it's variable due to the pollution of air. Its concentration in the air is 0.03%. It is essential for the growth of the, all of you know that the, for the plant. Why? Because plant prepare food by using these gas, the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide keeps the atmosphere warm by absorbing sun rays. It is essential, also most important gas for the absorbing sun rays. It is also used by the plant to release oxygen. Human beings and animals release carbon dioxide and inhale oxygen to stay alive. All of you know that the we living things inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide, and these carbon dioxide uses for the plants to make a food. The amount of absorbed carbon dioxide by the plant seems to be equal to the amount released by the human beings and animal. This makes a perfect balance in our environment. Okay, student, and next class we will discuss about the next gas, ozone gas. Okay, thank you.